X-ray Romeo Charlie, thanks. Did you want the hold now or back to Boundary Bay?
We can head back to Boundary Bay via Blakely for now for X-ray Romeo Charlie.
X-ray Romeo Charlie, roger, vectors for traffic, continue on present heading.
Present heading for X-ray Romeo Charlie. Okay, switching to heading mode now. Present heading via vectors for traffic. I'm sure it's that guy off to the right. I will now go in, delete this hold because we don't need that anymore, and get ready with Blakely, which is what we requested. I could even load a new procedure in here, which I know should be the Boundary Bay approach. CZBB, enter, RNAV 31 via Pennon, which is what I filed. Minimums on 260, actually it'll be circling, so circling is 520. Enter, and we're just going to load it for now. Message, VNAV unavailable, I'm not worried about VNAV. Okay, autopilot scoreboard heading, autopilot flight level change 115, altitude select 3,000, 200 to go. I'll just cancel the vertical nav because it makes the sequence that much easier. Vertical nav canceled. Got to keep the power up. I filed true airspeed of 150, so let's make that true. Next frequency 1. Oops. Clear. Next frequency 132.3. Oh, we'll get our checklist out of the way. Climb power is set. Verify flaps are up. Mixture lean is required. Engine parameters are checked. Fuel pump will keep on. And cruise. Fuel pump will leave on. Cruise power is set. We're sitting at 150 knots true. And mixture lean is required. Monitor 364 on the CHTs. Fuel flow is balanced. And we'll get ready for the next checklist. Okay. While we're getting that done, we're going into the Boundary Bay Airport via the RNAV 31 via Pennon. Safe altitude doesn't apply. We're within 25 nautical miles, which is 7,100 feet. Approach course is 306. Minimum altitude via Etmal, which is the final approach waypoint, is 1,400. Landing distance available 5,605 feet. Circling minimum is 520. We're going to do this approach at 2,000 feet. The initial approach waypoint altitude is recommended below 2,860. So we're going to come in at 2,000, cross Etmal above 1,400, go down to our circling minimum of 520 in the event of
X-ray Romeo Charlie, clear direct Blakely on course.
And X-ray Romeo Charlie requesting direct Pennon for the RNAV 31.
X-ray Romeo Charlie, clear direct Pennon.
Direct Pennon, X-ray Romeo Charlie. Okay, all I have to do is activate approach now in nav mode on the autopilot. And if we look at our flight plan, we're inside the approach sequence via Pennon. So there's no need to activate, we're just waiting for the clearance. And in the event of a miss, it'll be climbing left turn to 2,000 direct SVEM, shuttle climb to 5,700 feet before proceeding on course. And the chart effective dates are good to April 22nd, 2021. Under 56 knots true. Let's bring that back. So we're just cutting the corner, saving some time as opposed to going to Blakely, then Pennon, which is what I filed. Okay, we get the next checklist out of the way. So descent, altimeter is set. It's still set from before. Cabin heat is good. Landing light is on. Fuel system is checked. Mixture is good. Brake pressure is checked. And seat belts are secure. Fuel pump is on. Mixture is full rich. Flaps to come and autopilot we will use coupled for the LPV approach circling. You know what, I'm going to balance, so we're going to go to the right tank.
X-ray Charlie, contact Vancouver departure 1323. Good night.